The Ulanzi Ombra Video Tripod. The first thing I noticed when I got it is it's very light. The specs say that it's 2.7 pounds or under 3 pounds, and it is very easy to carry. I can imagine even my grandmother carrying this. It's small, it's going to be easy to stow in the back seat or on the floorboard or in the hatch. It has a series of clips on each leg to make it very easy to get it out and to open it up. Next, I'm going to be talking about the top of the base here and look at how we attach a phone or a camera on the mount. Obviously, we need a way to connect it. And this is the piece that'll do it. It's kind of a rectangular shaped piece that comes with the Ulanzi tripod. This screw, it's designed so that the threads keep the screw from falling out, so you're not going to lose it. And it also allows you to adjust your camera or phone on top of the tripod to either forward or backward. But it is used to mount your camera on the tripod as well as the bracket for the phone. So I've got this in there and I just picked the middle. It doesn't matter where I start it, but it's on there good now. This piece is what we use to mount the phone on top of the tripod. So let's do a quick demo on what it looks like when we hook up a camera as well as a phone to the top of the tripod. Okay, so on this piece here, this will actually just push on to the camera. You can see the screw fits right into the assembly of the phone, and I'm just turning it clockwise to just tighten it down a little bit, and if I loosen it, I'm able to move this around. Okay, now this knob I can take out counterclockwise, and it's opening the inside so that this fits in there. So I am going to open it up just enough for that to slide in. There, it's all the way in. Go do around. You see that? It's in there. So now, coming back over to this knob, I'm going to tighten it up, and it's going to push the vise in to hold my camera. So you have this rectangular piece that goes directly into the camera, and then that rectangular piece attaches perfectly inside here. And so now you have the camera on the tripod. Okay, now this knob here, notice that if I loosen it up, if I loosen this up, I'm able to use the handle to pan up and down. Okay, so the pan handle can be loosened up, and you'll notice that these teeth separate. If you come up here and then tighten it back. Now, why would we want to do that? Well, let's say that you are at a ball game and you're watching your child hit a ball and then run, for example. It's so much smoother after watching the video if you are able to pan like this. See how smooth that action is? It's a lot better than just simply holding the camera up and trying to do it that way. So this is very adjustable and customizable. And if I want it to stop rotating, this knob right here, I can lock it there, and then I can lock this one down, and now it's frozen in place. So now I want to take the camera off, and I want to switch it to using the cell phone to be mounted on the tripod. I'm loosening the tightener bolt there. I'm taking it out. Okay, let's go over to the table. We're going to loosen the nut here, the wing nut. Now we're going to use this. All I'm going to do is switch it over. You see on the very bottom that has a place for the screw to go onto. So I've loosened this bolt right here all the way so that this piece here can slide in. And when the camera was mounted to this, it did it in the same way, but now we've just attached this. One of the other things I think you'll like about this, instead of having one that works on a spring, and Sometimes I've had those mounts for the iPhone or the Android phone, and it feels like that spring action is just squeezing the phone so hard, and it's really hard to maneuver. This one works on a open and closer there, so I can insert the cell phone there, and it looks like it would work with any size cell phones, even the bigger Samsung phones. And you just tighten it down the way you want to, and it's on there. The last thing I wanted to show you is how the stem raises. It has a button right here, and if I press it down, it's locked in there. And for stowing and taking it down, you can just put it all the way down. The last thing I wanted to show you, I had to come inside because there were some neighbor dogs that were barking really loud that would have been very distracting for you. But remember this adjustment bolt right here? When we loosened it up, we were able to have the pan and turn. So if I were to tighten that down so that it was stable, but I turned the entire head assembly, notice what I can do. I can remove the entire head assembly, and then you can set it up with a different mounting for a different camera or a different setup. So totally detaches. And it came in this convenient travel carry case. It also has some Allen wrenches that go with it as well. So in case you need to modify or adjust the legs in any certain way or retighten the bolts, you have those. But overall, I would definitely recommend it. I got it mainly because I wanted a mount for my phone. I have a different tripod for my camera, but I can see using this one with a camera or a cell phone is very easy to do. It's lightweight, you can use it with one hand, and I think it's a great value. I paid about $83, ordered it off Amazon, and it was a Prime order, and I thought I was going to get it the next day, but they actually shipped this from Japan, so it took several weeks to get. So keep that in mind if you go to order it. I had a discount card, a gift card that I used, so I got some off on my initial purchase with that. So I ended up paying about $53 for it using my points or my gift card, but it retails for about 83 bucks US. So overall, I think that I could recommend this very much, and I think I'm going to get a lot of good use out of it. Thank you for watching. You've been Outside with Sean.